morning. We are heading to Lancaster to knock out like 2 cars. It's like 3 or 4 cars in South Dallas I gotta touch today in South Dallas alone. It's gonna be engine mounts, brakes, a proper fix on a parking shifter cable, and a tune-up on the Infinity, and more brakes. So shout out to them customers that be making my life easier sometimes. On top of the fact that his location actually happens to be like a minute away from AutoZone. Double convenience. He called in and it was close. In that short amount of time, these 2 people got in an accident. Just a case of driving how you look. Driving how you look. Shout out to all the mobile mechanics out there getting it. You know, he was probably changing the alternator on that Honda. I think that's what I saw. It's not a big job, but if needed, it can be done in the parking lot. Yeet! Oh yes. Ooh, and they got doggos. Alright. I fight dogs. Bark. Changing this engine mount. It's a ES350 with, you said 215? That's actually pretty low for this engine. Might need them hood struts replaced. It's kind of heavy. Damn it. Oh, it's on the left. It's got a little personality.
Yeah, right.
On the right.
And then it's that black little thing.
Oh,
It's right under here. If you see it.
yeah. There we go. Yeah.
I kind of like them, but I'm gonna try to get a newer model because I'm gonna get this one to my son for his 16th birthday.
That'd be good. You can try to get a newer ES or
yeah,
okay.
Probably not even really an ES, it's just a Lexus because I kind of like.
Yeah, Lexus is where it's at. They super reliable.
So I'm cool. Yeah, somebody told me that like they you can go versus the 200.
That's what we're gonna be replacing. This is a torque strut mount. That's typically what it's called. It just controls the upper motion of the engine, mainly like when you accelerate, and keeps it like stable. When it goes bad, that bushing inside of there just cracks over time, just dealing with heat. Actual wires. It's the thing that holds this in place. Just need to move a couple inches. this one's bad. Yeah, look at that. Out of there. Perfect. Put this back in the bracket. Good to go. Right. Did a multi-point inspection on this one too. Noticed that the coolant was low. The engine got swapped on this, so the miles are inaccurate. But it's definitely got some personality to it. I'm gonna say that. Right there. Look at the look at that stuff people don't usually notice. That right there. If I can get it. Right there. Boom. Got a hole in the windshield reservoir. Windshield sauce. Zip ties to the computer. Sometimes these computers need to be grounded off. That'll cause a lot of issues. But it looks like it is. Cause all kind of misfires and random shutoffs, and have you taking the whole damn engine apart, and it'd be something just as simple as a grounded computer. Check the vacuum hoses on it. Check the oil. Looks pretty good overall. This is a feature a customer didn't notice. Didn't realize they had it. She was like, how you did that? Lexus. On to the next. The next one is actually in Lancaster. It's like 8 minutes away. So that is perfect. I love when my appointments be close together. Some days they be like 40 miles apart, and then some days they be like 4 minutes.